Hi guys, here is the process of our chinchin making. Then here all the dry ingredients are mixed together, which is flour, baking powder, nutmeg. They are all mixed together. This is me here going in with my milk. I have to mix it together because I use a powdered milk, so I add a warm water to mix everything together. If you don't want to use milk, it's less for you, but me, I want this chinchin so milky, so I'm adding milk to it. Okay, here I'm adding my eggs, my milk that is already mixed, and sugar to make the dough easy for me. Then here is the dough after the mixture of everything. You see this cutting process, it can be cut in any design of your choice. You get, here is ready. Our chinchin is ready. Sorry, I forgot to make a video when I was frying, so forgive my manners. So here is ready. You can see the design I went for. It can be this design, it can be anyhow you want to cut it. Is you are free to, is your choice. So here is packed in a container. Anyhow you want to pack your chinchin, you can go on with that. But as for me, I think I pack it in a later. And that's all. Thanks for watching.